Hey everyone! Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to password protect a PDF using Adobe Reader 2025. In today's digital world, securing your documents is more important than ever, whether it's for work, school, or personal files. This step-by-step guide will get you protected in just a few minutes, so let's dive right in. First, ensure you have Adobe Reader 2025 installed. If not, download it for free from the official Adobe website. Once it's ready, open the PDF file you want to secure. Now, head to the top menu and click on Tools. Look for the Protect or Security section. It might be under a drop-down. Next, select Encrypt with Password or a similar option. A dialog box will pop up where you can set your password. Make it strong. Use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to keep hackers at bay. Enter the password twice to confirm, then choose any additional security settings if available. After that, click Apply or OK to save the changes. Adobe Reader will process the file, and you'll be prompted to save it. Give it a new name or save it in a different location to avoid overwriting your original document. Once saved, your PDF is now password protected. Test it by closing and reopening the file. You'll need to enter the password to access it. This feature is a game changer for privacy, but remember, always store your passwords securely, like in a password manager. That's all for this tutorial. Password protecting your PDFs is easy and essential for safeguarding your data. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.